Hello and welcome. I am Chef Sanjeev Kapoor. Desi hai to sab sahi hai. Special recipes only for you in this period when there is global lockdown. Because we are holed up in our homes, but that does not mean that we would stop cooking. What I'm going to share with you today is so simple, something that I used to make when I used to work in Varanasi. Back then, it was called Banaras. This is something which is made with paneer, but it is paneer done in a very different way. It is an Indo-Chinese style with green chilies. We are making Paneer Chilli Fry. First of all, let's do all the prep, all the vegetables. So actually, I'm going to cut these onion, slice like this. So if you see, I'm not slicing them very thin. Onion is done. Now it's turn for green bell pepper, capsicum. Cut this into strips, not too thin, not too thick. Now, green chilies. Green chilies, I'll slice them thin. Vegetables are prepped. Now time to paneer. We need to cut paneer into strips, but not too thin. So Desi paneer, soft, no artificial preservatives, never frozen. Taking you back to where we are making Paneer Chilli Fry. Something which is very easy, simple, and we want to bring out best from Desi paneer. We want to make this recipe nice and spicy, but keep the creaminess of paneer intact. Now I need to make a batter, and this batter I'll use cornstarch, wheat flour or maida, salt, green chili sauce, and soy sauce, and a little bit of water. Let's mix this. Batter is done. Now I have taken a little bit of oil, not too much, in this pan. I'm going to fry these paneer pieces like fritters. So I'm just going to fry these paneer pieces in this batter, which will make it Asian, Oriental feel. We are frying this paneer nice and golden brown, and time to take this out gently. Okay, paneer is also fried. Now I need some cornstarch. I need to add some water to it and mix. This cornstarch is needed to thicken the whole sauce. It's not that it is a saucy dish, or it's not a dish with a lot of sauce or a gravy, but still we need a little bit of moisture, and to thicken that we are going to use cornstarch. Use the same oil that we used for frying paneer. Normally, whenever I make paneer, especially for Indian dishes, I don't fry the paneer because that makes it hard, that makes it tough. But for this recipe, you need to fry it a bit. Lots of garlic. So freshly crushed garlic, and cook this a little bit more. And time to add onion. After garlic, sliced onion. In goes sliced onion. Do this at high heat. Time to add some dark soy sauce. Dark soy. Look at this now. And chili sauce. And now an ingredient which would make it very interesting, tomato ketchup. Tomato ketchup in this. And green chilies now. Now look at this color. It's nice and dark and bright, and this is almost ready, but we just need to finish this, and for that I'm going to add some green peppers. and paneer. After adding paneer, now I'm going to add some cornstarch, and that's it. Just mix everything, mix everything. Remember, we have not added any salt to it. Why? Because you don't need to. Soy sauce has salt, chili sauce has salt, tomato ketchup has salt. So you actually don't need to add any salt to it. What you need to add is a little bit of vinegar, just right at the end. Do that high heat, the whole thing, and look at this. Look at how good it is looking. Look at this. And it's done. Desi hai, to sab sahi hai. For more simple recipes, go to desifreshfoods.com.